Hello everyone, MPX Auto Engineer James. How are you today? In this video, we'd like to share the work that we already finished in the Toyota Hiace, and this one is to end of 2012 model. It's a very nice car. Come with the factory radio, which is here. You can see it down there. We removed there. The factory radio was working, but there's a need of upgrade from the owner. So here we go. We have a new 7-inch starter package, wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and you can see that it's fast, it's working very well, very nice, easy to touch, and it responds very nice to the finger. So it would be easy for you to understand how our starter package actually is working. That is on the wireless Apple CarPlay, which the iPhone is staying on the side, and we are listening to the online radio from the phone as well via the Apple CarPlay. But we turn off the sound to make sure that there's no conflict with the song, copyright thing. Now it's very simple. We already fit it perfectly in like the factory fit, and it is like factory installation over here. It's fully connected to the factory steering wheel controls, all of them connected. And this mode button, we actually get it for the phone answer on the steering, so now the owner can answer the phone from the steering wheel. Now looking about the reverse camera, here is the factory reverse camera that already got in the car before, and it was installed into the factory mirror on here. However, the factory reverse camera already faulty, not working before we did the job, and that would be one of the reasons why the system need to be changed. So we actually removed the factory one and we installed the new one right to the same factory location, and you can see it here. There's our new camera staying here, and that the factory camera before, so you can see it. Our camera looks exactly like it is factory over here. No difference in terms of good looking like factory fit, and the same factory location right here. It's beautiful and it's nice, and it's already working very well. So have a look here. We actually made a very quick show up with the factory reverse camera. Now new camera upgrade. Okay, so super clear, super detailed as usual with the MPX Auto's camera setup. It's absolutely super clear. So it's all done, ready to go, and 7-inch starter package fully installed nicely for the Toyota Hiace 2012. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.